Oven. Oh, it's already warming up. I developed the muffin recipe because I wanted to make something that was simple and straightforward, but that really featured the maple sugar, so you could really taste it and have it come through, but wasn't overly complicated. We're gonna put in our flours. Do one more. Not quite so full this time, okay? They're made with regular flour and whole wheat flour. You've got butter, maple sugar, and just some salt and a little bit of nutmeg. And then you can also put on top some streusel with oats and more maple sugar. It's kind of a blank slate recipe. You can put seasonal fruit in it. You could even add pureed pumpkin in the fall. You can play with it a lot, but at its core, it's just this really wholesome, tasty muffin with just a little bit of maple sugar in there to give it some sweetness. We moved out to this area originally for work, and then we fell in love with southwestern Vermont. It's just gorgeous here. We love the rivers, the hills. Everything is so nice. We bake as much as we can with what's in season and what we've got close by. We learned about maple cream and maple sugar and all of these different products that were outside of just syrup. It just gives everything such a great flavor. I love that it comes from close by. I love that it doesn't have to travel, halfway across the globe to get to us. Of all of the maple farms and people that I know producing it, it's just they tend to the trees, they're stewards of the trees. It's not just taking. And I love that, they really are taking care of the landscape.
Set for 1 minute.
There we go. It just is so nice to connect on that really physical level, eating the food that came from where you live.